video, I want to show you how you can pack your Travsessed backpack up. Now, we do suggest always having it because it is very efficient to walk through the airport or through town or in a cafe or wherever you might want to take it. But if you do have to pack it up, we want to show you how to do that. Now, the Travsessed backpack is made of the highest quality, most durable material we could use and still remain packable. It is a little bit difficult, but that's why I'm going to show you this video, because we want it to be easy for you, and we also wanted to save some trees by doing a video and not putting an instructional pamphlet in the actual product. So here we go. Okay, so the first step in packing up your Travsessed backpack is make sure that there is nothing in the backpack. For instance, I was about to do this video instructional and I was like, what is that? And sure enough, in one of the little pockets in the main pouch, I had one of these things, which made it a little bit more difficult to pack up. So you want to make sure that everything is out and free, and then you zip up your backpack completely and let the packing begin. So here it is, all packed up. You can either throw it in your suitcase, or you can put it in your bigger backpack, zip it up, and off you go.